Hi friends, this is Donzella from that Miss Donzella Cooks, and today I'm making an old-fashioned favorite. It's the Elvis Presley peanut butter banana sandwich. So if you have peanut butter in your cupboard, you have banana laying around, you got bread, you got a wonderful twist on your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So here I've already melted butter in the pan, and you need real butter. This is actually real butter, not margarine. I've spread my bread with peanut butter. I'm going to place my bananas on here like so. This sandwich is really, really good any time of the day, and it's a favorite for adults and kids alike, as long as you don't have a peanut butter allergy. Okay, so we put our bananas on there just like so. I sliced them up and put them on there. We'll put our other half of our sandwich on there just like that. And I'm going to put this in this pan of butter, and we're going to grill this peanut butter banana sandwich in this butter. And yes, it looks like a lot of butter, but that is the way Elvis Presley liked his sandwich, and we are going to make a copycat of that Elvis sandwich. So friends, we'll just let that cook, and when it browns, we'll flip it. And like I said, it's a delicious dish any time of the day. Have this sandwich with a cup of milk, some veggies. You have a nutritious little meal, or have it with a cup of tea. Any time of the day, this is really a delicious sandwich. It was a little heavy because of the butter and its richness, but that's okay. That's what it was all about. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Let's turn just like that, friends. Let's press. And it only takes a few minutes. And if you notice, the butter has turned it into a beautiful golden brown, and that's what we're looking for, friends. So let's just keep going like that. Just keep an eye on it. And like I said, if you're on a tight budget, and if you've got peanut butter, bread, and some butter in your cupboard, then make yourself a nice meal. It's an old-fashioned twist on the good old peanut butter sandwich. And friends, if you like simple recipes like this, subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel at Miss Donzella Cooks. I'd love to have you join me in my kitchen for simple, everyday recipes. Yes, friends, see, we got a golden brown on both sides, so we can take that off. That is a wonderful sandwich. Let's turn off our heat. Friends, let's cut this in half. Oh, that's beautiful crust on there. Crispy on the outside, crispy and buttery on the outside, and delicious sweetness from the peanut butter and banana on the inside. Oh my goodness, friends. And this is what we have. Your Elvis Presley peanut butter and banana sandwich, grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich. Here we are, friends. So give it a try. And thank you again for joining me in my kitchen. And again, if you like simple recipes, check out my YouTube channel at Miss Donzella Cooks. And have a blessed day, friends.